Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a command prompt shortcut with admin rights. Right-click desktop, click New Shortcut. Type c:LAN/Windows /System32 /cmd.exe. Click Next. Rename shortcut name. Click Finish. Right-click, click Properties. Click Advanced. Check Run as Administrator. Click Apply, OK. Command prompt opened with administrator rights. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.